Don Omar, J. Doe, Rick the Villain, Bust a Bust. Come on. We roll like this.
What is up, everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day. I haven't seen Mikey in forever. We're probably gonna install some parts back there for the hatch, so that'll be something that you guys can look forward to. While I do that, you guys can check out his Evo. He just got a new cylinder head, so I think it's fully built. And he's running consistent 6.5s on the 8th, so that's pretty fucking good. That's like a 9-second car right there, you know. So yeah, we're gonna check his place out, and I think Michael's English Racing Evo's at Mikey's shop as well, so you guys can see that as well. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day today. I'm gonna get a little Red Bull and get my morning going, you know. All right. Breakfast of Champions. Just met up with my boy Yanez. Got all the cars over here and shit. That GTR is pretty sick though. So I'm here at the fucking MCX. If you guys are Marines, you guys know what that is. We just call it the PX, whatever. But I'm trying to get spray paint, and I'm trying to get probably a poster board or something so I could do my tire lettering, my stencils or whatever, like an outline for whatever I want to spray paint on the tires. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So doing this, and then after that we're gonna go see Mikey and hang out with him for a little bit. So yeah. What's up, everybody? Just made it to Mikey's shop. Mikey has a fucking graveyard of Evos here. Alright, Evo right there, Evo right there. And then there goes my hatch. Well, I don't know if I've showed you guys the new fenders, but here's the new charge speed fenders. Fitment on this side is pretty good, except like when I open the door, it's a little tight. And then, yeah, like that. But I'll just have to sand that down a little bit more. They are fiberglass. That's, you know, I guess the problem, or that's an easy fix that I could shave down. But on this side it's pretty good, you see, but I had to shave that down forever as well. But the fitment on this side is kind of weird. The thing is, like, I've talked to other people that have the same fenders on their EGs, and they said that they all had fitment issues like that. So I can't really do anything about that, you know, so it's whatever. This is Michael's English Racing Evo right here. It's down. It's having some issues, I believe, with the freaking like transmission, or I really don't know, honestly, but there's something that has to do with that. But here's a little sneak peek for you guys. I don't know why he has this thing uncovered, just letting the sun bake off his fucking lines and everything. But whatever. That, love this car. It's a sick ass car. And then Evo 10. Some more Evos over here. Graveyard of fucking Evos, I'm telling you. I told this guy, he's like, yeah man, I have so much work, this and that. I'm like, bro, just fucking hire me and I'll fucking help out, and then you can pay me. He's like, nah man, like I don't have the money for that right now. I'm like, you motherfucker. So I'm just waiting for Mikey to get here now, and then after that I got a bunch of parts that I need to install on the hatch. I got the intake manifold, I got the header, I also got door speakers that I just picked up from my boy CJ. SD Chroma, hit him up if you need anything. That's like wiring, like lights or speakers, anything like that, anything electronic, he's your boy. All right, if you're local to San Diego or whatever, just hit him up. And yeah, but I'm just waiting on Mikey now. Right next to Mikey's shop there's a wrap shop, so yeah. You got an Instagram for your wrap shop?
Oh, what?
An Instagram or something for the wrap shop?
Oh, what?
An Instagram.
Oh, no.
How fucking wide are these wheels?
The rear is 19 by 13 and the front is 19 by 12.
Man, they're work crayons or?
West cranes, yeah.
West
Those
cranes,
areas.
Nice.
Yeah, I had some Leon Harder at Orton's. And then I had it for sale and then like everyone kept lowballing me.
Yeah.
And this kid was like, yeah, I got these wheels, so we just did a straight trade.
Nice, that's dope. But how much is it pushing? Like 600?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this shit's pushing a lot of power.
Oh yeah. This is
He's rapping this dude's Infinity right now.
This is how this is gonna look right here.
Oh shit, that's fucking sick. What kind of body kit is that?
That's a Liberty Walk.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Liberty Walk kit.
That's sick. That's like really good fitment.
Yeah.
You gotta keep it.
Fiberglass.
Oh yeah. You gotta keep it static or what?
No, it's getting back.
Oh, nice. Look at this shit. That's fucking wheel right there. God damn, that thing's thick. Ugly ass motherfucker.
Back there?
God damn. Hold on.
Go to the store.
What happened to the fender, homie? You getting carbon ones or what? And the hood? Why is it missing?
Don't worry about what I'm doing.
This nigga. Oh, the engine's still there. Mikey handling them sausages and stuff. Used to it and shit.
Big ones.
Oh yeah. Just took off the rims. Yeah. One thing that fucking I hate about it is that when I went to balance them the first time I got them, I scratched them right here. But well, there's nothing I could really do about that, you know. Whatever. And then you can see the difference. Clean. But we got the wheels off. Now to see if the fucking headers fit and everything. But yeah.
This is the guy next door. I've been telling Bernie that he needs to record, but he's been all busy and shit, so I guess I'll show you guys what's been going on here. He's been working on getting that lettering on his tires. We had the homie Ben. He made these stencils. He freestyled them, or freehanded them, and then Bernie fucking cut them out with his teeth.
You motherfucker.
Here they are out here with the fucking headlamp and everything.
Look at that shit.
Oh my. But these are the stickers or the stencils right here.
I'm most likely gonna redo these when I get home. Probably get like another piece of cardboard or something. Instead of poster board, I'm gonna use cardboard because it's a lot thicker and these are very flimsy. So I'm gonna trace them out, I'm gonna cut them again, and then I'm gonna reuse those whenever these wear out, you know, so I can have a good pair of stencils, and if anybody else needs it, you know, I could just let them use it or whatever. But
He's the plug.
hell yeah.
Let's see. Damn, this actually came out pretty good.
For now, yeah.
This came out way better than the first one.
Wow.
What'd you say it was, Ben? Trial and error?
Yeah, trial and error. That's what happens.
Alright guys, we'll check in with you guys later.
Sorry I haven't been on the camera for like a couple hours or whatever, but been pretty busy. As you guys saw in the last clip, my buddy actually filmed a little bit, but yeah, I'm tired, my hands are dirty, and hey, the final product came out like I don't know, it just came out amazing pretty much. I really like it, and I can't wait to take some more pictures with it. Right now the lighting isn't that well. This motherfucker has Tupac on blasting right now, so sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It wasn't much, honestly. We installed the headers. We had a little problem where the header and the mid pipe where it meet, the header was a little bit too long. Probably gotta take that to an exhaust shop and see if they could like cut it and re-weld it and it'd be better. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next time, alright? Deuces. One love.